Hey gang, you've stitched, you've purled, you've powered through, and now it's time to cast off, aka bind off, aka get your knitting off your needles. To cast off, you'll always be working with 2 stitches on your right needle. For this video, we're working with a contrast colour for the cast off row so you can see the stitches more easily. So the first step, we're going to knit our first 2 stitches exactly as normal. Next, you're going to use your left needle to lift the first stitch, so that's the one that's furthest away from the tip of your needle, up and over the second stitch and off the needle. Holding onto the working yarn with your right hand can help to avoid losing a stitch. Knit one more stitch and then repeat the move. So lift the stitch at the base of your needle up and over the stitch ahead of it and off your needle. Knit the next stitch and repeat. You'll keep going all the way along the row. Knit one, lift one. It's kind of like a little game of leapfrog. Here you can see all your cast off stitches laying neatly along the top of your cast off edge. Each stitch looks a little bit like a V. When you've got just one stitch left on your right needle, grab your scissors, cut your yarn from the ball, leaving about a 20cm tail, then slip your needle out of that last stitch and thread that piece of yarn back through that stitch and pull to secure. Excellent job! Your edges and your work is complete, and you're now officially the kind of person who finishes what they start.